There's Karen kayaking on Blue Mountain Lake. Our camp is down there. We're going over to another pond. Today is very calm compared to the violent winds we had yesterday. We're probably going to go to another lake tomorrow, Adirondack Lake or Indian Lake. This was a fine day, but we are seeing the effects of the smoke, because this is not a cloud in the sky. It's just full sun, but it's a little hazy. So yes, 3,000 miles away and we're getting the effects of it. Glad to be on the East Coast today.